Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Sapto Sukardi. Earlier, Mr. Vincent discussed the mindset and initial steps in starting a business. Now I'll build on that foundation and share what I found to be a winning formula for transforming a business idea into sustained growth. But first, let me introduce myself. I began my career after graduating in civil engineering from ITB. My first role was at CDGO, where I supervised the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Trolley project. This is where I met Mr. Vincent. This experience gave me a deep understanding of monitoring complex, large-scale construction projects and honed my data processing skill. After that, I had a brief but transformative stint at Cloud Indonesia as an account manager. Transitioning from engineering to sales in the same industry was challenging, of course, but it was essential in shaping my understanding of sales and marketing skills where every entrepreneur needs. Soon after, I took an offer from my brother to manage and rebrand his company, which became Supply. Last year, I stepped away to follow my passion for academics as a construction management lecturer. Alongside teaching construction management, I regularly teach entrepreneurship. And this year, I joined 42 other professionals in co-founding IAMCRI. IAMCRI is Indonesia's Lean Constructions Association. So in this presentation, I'll share the steps I used to grow Supply. I would like to credit Dr. Fauzan Aziman, CEO of Alloy, whose insights influence much of today's material. He kindly allowed me to share these concepts. The first formula, step by step. Let's begin with a framework called the Golden Circle. The Golden Circle emphasizes starting with the why, understanding why your business should exist. For any business idea, ask yourself, why should customer choose you? Why are you creating this value? After establishing your why, you can determine how you'll deliver that value and what specific product or service you will provide. For Supply, the what was easy to define. We are a general trading company that fulfills customers' order from multiple suppliers, but the why was a trickier. After discussions with my team and customer testimonials, I realized that Supply exists to simplify procurement, a painful, time-consuming process of procurement, and to empower SMEs or small or middle enterprises through partnership. Once you define your why, the next step is to clearly identify the problem you're addressing. I want to take a quote from Albert Einstein. If I were given 1 hour to save the planet, I would spend 59 minutes to defining the problem and 1 minute to resolving it. Well, in my case, I examine both external and internal challenges. Our sales performance was inconsistent and we lack of monitoring system. Our social media presence was also sparse and not aligned with the brand. And there is also an interesting quote from Twitter, Andrew Gasdecki, the CEO of Acquired.com. So your job as CEO of startup is to learn sales, branding, marketing, and distribution because it's not just about the product. 99% of products, unfortunately, do not sell themselves, so please invest early in sales and marketing at your startup. I know I have a short-term career at Glodon, but I think that it really changes my perspective to help me understand the business. So I think if you really want to go entrepreneurship, please try to take a career in sales so you could understand the sales and business better. So that is why I try to prioritize the sales and marketing in the company. So I develop a daily sales and purchasing monitoring system with a simple data entry spreadsheet for easy team input. We also implemented onboarding, training, and a culture appreciation. Also collaborating closely with the digital marketing team, we crafted a strong brand identity covering everything from brand registrations, IDs, company profile, website development and website design, social media, merchandising, and content creation. And the second formula, target-oriented. Well, as a general trading company, Supply offers a wide range of products, but diversity can sometimes dilute focus. By analyzing sales data, I identified constructions and warehousing equipment as our most profitable segment. As you can see in this graphic that our We have plenty of provide products for our clients, but in the warehouse safety site equipment, which is in the construction and mining industry, we have the highest profit generating category. And this is the business model that True use as a solution for the customer. It is estimated that the contractual supplies market is estimated around 120 trillion rupiahs, with numerous SMEs in the sector. And to differentiate ourselves, we choose to collaborate rather than compete with SMEs, fulfilling procurement needs for the construction industry, especially for the construction industry. As a B2B company, we leverage LinkedIn to connect with procurement professionals. We design our company profile to highlight potential customer pain points inspired by similar practice I observed at Globe Indonesia. So Tersupply used 3 slides of customer-specific problem questions to explore pain points before delivering the solutions in the company profile presentations. Our training program also helps our sales team maintain strong LinkedIn profiles for positive first impressions. With a clear focus and well-defined strategy, we managed to have a customer across Indonesia. Here are few our certified clients from Patra Jasa, McConnell Dowell, Tata Mulia Nusantara, and here are some project that we supported, and some of these already ongoing, like for the PT Serayu Teknologi and PT Tata Mulia Nusantara. The third formula is open-minded. Well, initially, packaging and printing were key offerings, but due to staffing challenges, this area is underperformed in 2022, where I begin through the brand supply. But to be fair, I felt that even though Tersupply did not really did not really specifically go into the construction industry, but the idea of me as having a background as a civil engineer really helped me a lot to understand the construction industry better, to understand how to process the data so I could get the better execution of data decisions, for decision making. And as we know that initially packaging and printing, as I mentioned earlier, were key offerings, but due to staffing challenges, we have limited personnel that understand this area. So the packaging and printing become underperformed. While construction supplies remain our core focus, we saw an opportunity in event organizing, since our team member had experience in this area, and the shift would complement our custom merchandise sales. So even though we're still focusing on the construction supplies, we also try to explore a new opportunity in event organizing. As a result, the event organizing sector proved to be quite promising. We landed contracts with big names like Electronic City and Godrej, expanding our merchandising portfolio in the process, like here. And the fourth formula, realistic yet unthinkable. Before we start, I want to start this segment from a quote from Seth Godin. He is an entrepreneur and best-selling author. A brand is the set of expectations, memories, stories, and relationships that taken together account for a consumer's decision to choose one product or service over another. So the things about Tersupply, we are a B2B or business-to-business company. This is why maybe you haven't heard about Tersupply or other general trading companies, because we move from company to company offering our services. It's different than D2C or direct-to-consumer direct-to-consumers companies such as I would say Gojek, Tokopedia, which focus on the public customers. So that is why they are well known. So I would think that I want to be stand out. I want to make the supply stand out because we have because as I see that there are no I would say, general trading company that really stands out. So that's why I want to have a strong branding in True Supply. And although True Supply is, I wouldn't say it's a startup company, but we wanted to cultivate the vibrant problem-solving spirit of a startup. From our logo to our website, even the branding element aims to convey a youthful, energetic vibe that resonates with our clients. And we see storytelling in the True Supply that we saw challenges in B2B supplies, built True Supply to connect buyers and sellers, with our mission to revolutionize Indonesia's B2B supply chain with efficiency and transparency. And to make the awareness spreading, we give our customers free gift for their first order to create excitement and build awareness. And then, to be fair, we don't really invest that much in the website area because I felt like in the earlier stage or initial stage of building a company, you should put investment in other area if your main services is not from the website. So we mainly use the website for the company profile, and we just only keep essential features. We keep it modest, focusing on essential features like company profile and allows potential customer to place orders all within a budget-friendly design. And with our social media keeps us visible using popular trends to stay top of mind as a procurement solution. As we see, we kind of use a strategy of following the trends, and we're not using hard selling. We're not really trying to focus on the how we build. We like telling the hard selling part of the services of our company, but whether we're trying to follow the trends, we're trying to communicate with the potential customer that there is a company called Supply. We are a procurement solution company, but also we are youthful and energetic. And you know what? And if you check the True Supply TikTok account, we have reached around 1 million likes. That's a really great achievement from the team. Although I would say that the social media or like Instagram or TikTok is not really good use to B2B company, but at least from that we could make a great impression, great awareness to give awareness to our potential customers, to be the top of mind of their list if one day they work at a company that needs procurement solution. And the last, but not least, the final formula, you. Building a business is hard. You will face doubt and struggle, and you will question what kind of leader you want to be. In my case, I found the answer by staying authentic. I coach my team. I laugh with them. And yes, I even met TikToks with them. I'm not really proud of it. But yeah, leaving True Supply was a tough choice for me. But I'm proud it's thriving without me, which means I succeeded in laying a foundation for growth. So the real question here, so what's really the formula? Let's recap. First, you have step by step. The second one, you have target oriented. The third one, you have to be open-minded. And the fourth one, you have to be realistic but yet unthinkable. And the final piece is you. So this is the formula. You have to have the story. You have to tell your story because startup founders wear a ton of hats, but your primary role, Chief Storytelling Officer. This role is only for you as the founder. Use your stories to stand out and win. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope these insights inspire you to take the next steps in your business journey. I am Sapto Sukardi, and good afternoon. You could download the presentation file here by scan the QR code, or you could just you could follow the link below. Thank you.